Hey, welcome back. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on, where we left off on the last video. We're going to make this really brief. It's just a real quick update. Turn around real quick. So yes, we are at the stage. Brand new hood. Underside needs paint. All scuffed up in red Scotch-Brite. And I put an adhesion promoter. As you can see, it looks kind of shiny. That's the adhesion promoter. It doesn't need it because I'm going to seal it. But yeah, and we have a lot of miscellaneous parts to paint also, but they're just not ready. They need to be, some of them needs to be bodyworked and primered. So we're just going to do the hood, tackle the hood. And this is unorthodox of me, but I'm also going to be doing the roof also. Because I didn't want to just close the day down just to spray one backside. So I was like, you know what? Let's spray this and this. It's unorthodox because usually I like to spray everything all together. So yeah, on a side note, on something like this, I have a notebook that I write down everything from temperature, humidity, exact gun settings, even the air hose that I use, air pressure, fan pattern, everything. I'm really picky on how I document everything, so that way we don't have no issue when I spray other parts that are separate from what we spray the roof. I want to keep everything exactly consistent and the exact same thing as close as we can. Because it can play a role in the color matching sometimes. I've seen that happen. It's actually happened to me in the shop. It's a nightmare. But enough of that. We are going to get to sealing everything. And let's get at that right now. Alright, we are done. We are totally done for the day. The clear is on the car. I didn't get that in the time lapse because I got really busy picking up both kids from school. In fact, I had to run to pick one up, and I came back to the shop, and then I did one coat of clear, and I was praying that 30 minutes wasn't too long of a flash period. Picked up the youngest, came right back and did one coat, and it's holding. Thank God it's cold, I guess. So, but enough of that. So yeah, on this video, we were gonna do it in black and white, until the last video of us painting the entire car to do a color reveal. But customers came by and they said, you know what, let's share it. It's a nice color, it looks good, we're happy with the progress, so let's just share it so you guys get to see the color. Let's turn the camera around real quick, hold on. It is Honda OEM color Midori Green Pearl. In the video it looks way more green than it actually is. You know, everybody that knows this color knows it doesn't look good on camera. It looks way more neon looking, but in person I promise you it looks really good. Up here on the roof I expected it to be a lot more dirtier, but it came out really clean. I mean, they had chunks here and there, but for being a garage job, not a paint booth, came out good. Good color, and I hope you guys like the color that the customer chose. Yeah, see on here, it looks way more of a green teal cast, but in person you see the white, although there's a lot of white pearl in this, that's for sure. To the naked eye you can see how much it makes it way more lighter. But yeah, that's enough of this video. Just wanted to show you guys the progress. Look how clean it came out. Came out really clean. Pretty happy with it. If the customer wants to get it buffed, it's going to be a pretty easy one to cut and buff since it came out so clean and extremely flat. But enough of that. I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned, alright?